I frequently hear people say, gee, I always wished I could draw well. Well, you can if you'll join me for a package of drawing lessons starting in January. What a great Christmas present. Each week, we'll add on some simple skills that let you draw things you see. And bit by bit, you get better. Your family and friends will notice that too. I am a special kind of art teacher. I use humor as we draw together for our hour-and-a-half lesson each week. The works you see are from earlier students. Not bad, huh? One student, after several months of our working together, entered the Western Idaho State Fair Art Exhibition and was blown away when she got an honorable mention. So if it seems like a great Christmas present, feel free to contact me. I'm easygoing and really want to see your drawing move from, I can't even draw a straight line, to, wow, I didn't know I could do that. No, the Vatican won't be begging you to come fix their ceiling frescoes, but you'll like the drawings you'll do. Hey, you might even wind up painting.